All right, the first step is to wash your orange. If it is not organic, well, even if it is organic, wash it. Actually, especially if it's organic, wash it. Okay, if you have any really big pieces like that, just take them out. Okay, I just added my sugar, which I wasn't recording when I did that. And now we are going to let this cook on medium heat for about 15 minutes. All right, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our orange marmalade and put it in our jar, just like so. So this was a super big orange. I don't know if am I gonna get it all in? I'm not gonna get it all in there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this cool down. And then when Mike comes home for a snack tonight, he's going to have toast with orange marmalade. That's good. Oh, wow, that's good.